Yes, you will, Peppa. It also means the Tooth Fairy will be paying you a visit.
The Tooth Fairy paying you a visit?
Yes, the Tooth Fairy.
It's snow, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Morning! Lina! Morning! Sa! Psst! Uy! Morning!
Morning.
Morning!
Waffles.
Waffles? Okay.
Hot chocolate.
Waffle and hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Mga kachika, maghanda din ako ng ano ni Alina. Baon sa school. Bibigyan ko lang siya ng ito. Wrap. For today. Sour cream. Ganyan lang natin. Gusto niya yan maraming sour cream. Ta!
What a lovely shiny car.
Yes, I am a bit of an expert at these things.
Come on, I'll drive today.
Yan lang sa mga kachika. Papa egg. Papa egg.
Pig's vegetable garden. All these vegetables himself.
What's this?
Green sugar.
Did you like tomatoes? George, do you like tomatoes?
Do you like tomato, Lisa?
Oh dear.
It's just not like
Oh dear. I must have something that George likes. Would you like cucumber?
Like cucumbers. And he does not like lettuce. And he does not like tomatoes.
Well, George, what vegetable do you like?
chocolate.
George has eaten his...
George, this is cucumber. Grandpa Pig grew it in his garden.
Give me the hair tie in your arm, in
Piece
your
of lettuce, George.
arm, babe.
It's yummy.
Be careful the vitamins.
Look what I'm doing. Now it's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. His birthday.
Today is Mummy Pig's birthday. Daddy Pig has made Mummy Pig breakfast in bed.
Happy birthday, Mummy Pig.
Peppa and George have made Mummy Pig a birthday card.
How many did you do last night, babe?
Oh, what a lovely birthday surprise.
I want waffles.
What date yesterday? Right now.
Yummy.
Quick, we have to get everything else ready.
Daddy Pig has made a birthday cake for Mummy Pig.
Oh, we've just got to put the candle.
Number 7. 7.
2.
Okay.
Here I come.
Mummy Pig has finished her birthday
Okay, give
breakfast.
me, babe.
Mommy's coming.
Give me.
Oh no, we're not
Da.
ready yet.
7 pages.
Who is it?
It's Mummy. Can I come in?
No, no.
Is there something secret going on?
No, nothing's going on.
Ang labad na naman ng ulo ko, mga kachika. Sakit na naman. Kagabi nawala to na
Would you relax in
ano ako ng paracetamol ngayon, masakit na naman.
But it is your birthday.
Hindi masakit ba yung basta hindi maganda yung ano. Malabad, ano bang tawag ng labad eh? Sa Tagalog.
Here's some pretty music.
Thank you, Peppa.
Kaya that's your signal yung ginagin.
Same number of candles as Mummy's age.
1, 2, 3.
Oh dear, we haven't got nearly enough candles.
Daddy, how old is Mummy?
I'll whisper it in your ear.
Really yellow.
You know, I think 3 candles will be fine.
Mummy Pig's birthday cake is ready.
Hooray! Mommy cake!
The decorations in the sitting room.
Be cold.
Huh? That is wearing, what you call it? Scarf.
It's cold, no?
It's going out.
8:44.
It's just a milk tooth.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that is nice.
Will I grow a new one, Mummy?
Yes, you will, Pepper. It also means the Tooth Fairy will be paying you a visit.
The tooth fairy paying you a visit.
Yes, the Tooth Fairy. If you put the tooth under your pillow tonight, the Tooth Fairy will come.
Yeah, that's right.
The Tooth Fairy will take the tooth, and in its place, she will leave a shiny coin.
Oh, it's only coin there. Tooth Fairy came to the house, it's always
Oh, they're expensive.
Money.
expensive. Yeah.
Expensive, yeah.
Only for me. Always go a teeth fella. Always go money.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. But it's what you call that? Note. Not coin. Tooth Fairy and Peppa Pig, it's only coin.
Before going to bed,
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah, ready. There it is. Show Daddy. That was how to stay. Don't bite him.
Alisa wants to go park zipline.
No,
It's
wet.
Wet,
Raining.
windy. Lakas pa ng hangin. Dadala ako ng hangin. Ago?
Huh?
Ago?
Yeah, go on.
Mama,
Good morning. I got a parcel delivered to your door.
No, no, no.
No? Thank you.
Okay.
I said no. So yan yung bahay mga kachika. Sabi niya na wala daw. Walang parcel. Pero yung kasi yung inano sa GPS eh.
Did he think about it or did he what?
No, he just said no. I said I got here outside your house.
Huh?
It shows in the GPS outside your house. He said no.
Maybe someone took it.
Or maybe someone took it.
So a parcel.
Yeah.
That's what they do. Huh? Huh?
Kasi magdamag yata sa labas mga kachika. Marami din kasi yan dito. Nangyayari ba na nakawan ng mga parcel pag nasa labas ng bahay. Ninanakaw talaga mga kachika.
You better get your money back. Have you done that? You started the
No, not
process?
yet. Because I wait first.
Ah, right. Okay.
Okay. Nag-expect pa naman ako na makukuha namin. Pero yun nga, baka ninakaw. Ngayon kasi magdamag yun siya na sa labas ng bahay kasi nga alas 9 na yun, di ba? Ninakaw na talaga yun. It's nothing. Is it? Only small. Ano pa 10 o'clock na pala mga kachika. Mainom pa ako ng ano. So masakit nga yung ulo ko. Nagkakaisip din doon sa parcel ko kung nasaan na ba. Yung sabi ni Mr. na balikan daw niya doon yung bahay na yun ba mga kachika na pinuntahan ko. Baka lang ba yung baka may na yung kasamahan niya sa bahay. Yun yung nakakita ng parcel or what. Kasi parang siya lang yung mag-isa doon. Pupuntahan niya ulit. Kasi tinignan ko ulit mga kachika. Tama talaga kung ano yung nakalagay doon sa GPS ng sa ano ba yung sa yung na-delivered na yung parcel. Yun talaga yung bahay na pinuntahan namin kanina. Ganda na sana kasi malaki yung makabili ka ng marami-rami. Tapos malaki-laki yung masave mo ba. Ganun. Yun. Wala to yun. Wala tuloy. Nakakapanlong kang mahal pa naman ng mga kachika. Ay gusto ko siya i-cancel na lang ba. Hindi ko din ma-cancel na kasi nga na-ship na siya. So hindi ko na, wala na akong ibang way na maano yun. May bibilik nila yung pera ko. Snowing mga kachika, look! Sa ibang part ng yung sa Exeter, ang kapal na daw ng snow. Halaka!
Oh my God,
Look,
snowing.
kaya ano niya siya mga kachika, kasi snow yan siya. Ayan. Ayan, puti-puti na yung kalsada. Nag-start na puti-puti.
My God,
Hala!
it's snowing.
Ganyan mga kachika, oh. Kung nakikita nyo talaga sila. Pero natutunaw lang din pag lumalapag sa it's very cold. Lumalapag siya ba? Yan, parang hailstorm lang siya yata to mga kachika, hindi talaga siya snow, parang inanod lang to dito papunta sa amin galing sa Exeter. Alam niyo yun yung city na pinupuntahan namin. Makapal na kasi yung snow doon banda. O kahit papunta pa lang doon.
Mommy, it's snowing.
Dalo ka da. Hailstorm kasi tumutunog yung tingnan nyo yung yung sasakyan ni Mr. Namuti na mga kachika. Binabantayan talaga namin Elise dito kaya hindi namin maano kung hailstorm lang ba to or snow talaga. Kasi magkaiba naman yung hailstorm at saka yung snow eh. Pero tingnan nyo naman
The house.
Yeah, ganyan siya na mga kachika.
Wow,
Nauwat kami ba? Kaya minsanan lang talaga dito mga kachika. Last time na nag-snow talaga dito, naalala ko noong first time na punta.
Oh, it's Christmas coming.
First time punta dito ni Alina, 2018. Yun talaga yung thick na snow na naranasan ko sa buong buhay ko. Ay, close the door. That's why I said the last time we had, when we came over.
First time we came over.
Yun yung first time I saw a real snow.
It's
The first time I experienced snow that day.
yeah.
So alas 11 pa lang mga kachika, tapos nakita ko sa weather forecast na from 11 o'clock to 3 p.m. yung snow tuloy-tuloy. So it means na kakapal talaga to yung snow, hindi lang yung pang madalian lang ba. So ayan. Yeah. Pero nilingaw-lingaw ko lang yung sarili ko dito mga kachika ba na tungkol nga doon sa parcel ko. Pero may nag-ano ko doon sa group ba ng dito sa UK, sabi na nag-post ako tungkol sa ganun nga. Ako, yun sabi na na naman daw, na refund naman daw yung pera niya within week. So sana nga ma-refund ko din yun para naman, hindi ko na magbayad-bayad din. Kasi binabayaran ko pa din yun siya ba. Bali, 3 payments yun siya eh. So nag-down na ako noong time na nag-order ako. Tapos another pagka 1 month, magbabayad ulit ako. Tapos hanggang hanggang January yung babayaran ko dapat. So sana ma-refund siya. At ayun, mawala na yung ko ba, yung stress ko.
They say you can.
Yeah.
It's like it might stick.
Hoy, why are you licking that? Nothing in there. Nililik na ni Alisa yung window. It's not there. Lisa pasaway.
I can't do it.
Hello, Yuki. Stripes has arranged a concert tonight at the Soul House.
He's given us all our jobs. I'm in charge of sweeping the stage. That's a great swishy noise, Tap Tap. And Twinkle's doing the twinkles.
Of course I am.
Everything is perfect for the Samba Llamas, Yuki.
Who are the Samba Llamas?
Only the best samba band ever.
Oh, wow. And what's Samba?
Band music for dancing. Look, everyone.
Update tayo mga kachika. Kayo na makapal yung snow. Pero tingnan nyo yan oh.
Oh, it's gone now.
Oh, it's gone now. Kala ko magtuloy-tuloy. Di naman pala. Ganito yung weather. Di mo talaga maintindihan. Unpredictable weather. Ayan, di ba? Ang, ano na ng, ang tirik na naman ng araw.
Oh, like that.
It's here.
No, like that. Bounce it like that. Catch it. That's it. Good.
Yeah, that's
Good.
it.
That's
Good,
it.
dad.
Good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Rubbish.
Alam ko kanina mga kachika yung brunch ko. Ayan. At ito, gagawa ko ng, ito yung saging namin. Ang plano ako na gagawa ako ng banana bread. Sabi ni Mr. gawa ka ng banana bread. Pero gagawin ko na lang siyang, ayan, ito. Kasi meron pa akong ganyan. Matagal-tagal na rin hindi ako nakapagluto nito. Kumakain kasi yung mga bata nito. Ay, yung balat ba, lalo na pag crispy. 2:30 na din pala. Palis na sana si Mr. mapunta ng gym. Kaso sabi ko na kailangan mo magpa-dryer. Kaya antayin na lang niya na magsundo siya kay Alina. Then pagkatapos ng sundo kay Alina, magpa-dryer siya at punta siya ng gym. Papalambutin ko lang to kaunti mga kachika kay sobrang ano pa. Frozen pa. Hindi ko pa siya mahimay-himay tig isa-isa. Ayan. Tapos itong saging. Para pagkadating ni Alina, i-snack namin. Hindi pa man siya sira sa ilalim mga kachika. Ganyan lang yung itsura, pero ayan o, di ba? Mas gawin ko yung pangdilig ng aking mga orchid.
Oh, that's a good cake. Wow. Oh my goodness, what a cake. It's a cake. Wow. Oh. Are you? I'll go down in half an hour, shall I?
Yeah.
Right?
You eat that one?
No.
No, you don't like that?
No.
No. Magluluto na pala kami nito mga kachika. Niready ko na ano na pala, 3:15 ng hapon. Si Mr. nandun na, kukunin niya na si Alina. Nagpapakulo din ako ng water para sa pasta ni Alina. Snack niya. Pasta at ito din yung ano namin. Ito. Mainit na. Init na. Hinaan ko na yung apoy. Oh. That. Oh. Oh. Nice. Are you there?
No.
Not yet?
The door is not working.
Oh.
It's 1, 2. Yes.
There.
Hello, Rita. Here's your egg. Thank you.
Hello.
Well,
Oh, your hand cold. Face cold. See? You didn't put properly. Where's your jumper? Now, to run mga kachika, ilang piraso pala ito? 8 piraso lang pala itong ginawa ko. Tapos ito, yung iba, nahulog. Ay, inano ko pa rin yan siya mga kachika kasi crunchy yan. Kakainin yan ng mga bata. Yeah. Alina is back. How you see that? You look from the window? The snow earlier?
Yeah.
Ah. Who see first?
Well, my friend was doing busy coloring, and my friend was like, "Yay!" I was looking at the window. I was saying, "Yay!"
Daddy, 4 for you in there.
Your hands are very cold.
No, four. Oh, yeah.
This purple one is tastes grapes.
Yeah, push it. Maybe
got
it's
two?
grapes. Yeah, I got 2.
There's the red, orange,
Wait.
purple, green, orange,
What's
and
that?
yellow. I love all flavors.